But wait until you hear the doctor lad say these words.
I've devised the perfect solution to our mutant problem. 135-teranitrophenol.
And when he says, I have devised the perfect solution, that means he's about to say how to kill the radioactive thing. So, this is what the doctor said in my game. 135-teranitrophenol. And 135-teranitrophenol is one of 4 compounds, and they change from game to game. And one game he might say this compound is a perfect solution, another game he will say a different compound. And on your screen now is the 4 different compounds that you can say, and if the doctor in your game says the perfect solution is oxhydro-2,5-nitro-3,4,7-paraxokine, you in your game need to create that compound. If the doctor in your game says the perfect solution is 3-methyl-2,4-dinitrobenzene, you need to create that compound. If the doctor in your game says 3,4-dinitroxymethylpropane, you need to create that compound. And like in my game, if he says the perfect solution is 135-teranitrophenol, you need to create that compound. So now you know what compound you need to make, you now need to know how to make it. So on your screen now, fellas, is the ingredients of how to make your compound. Get screenshotting these fellas because these will be so helpful. And you want to think of the compound as the finished product. Think of a cake, and what you need to do is put ingredients together, get mixing stuff together, and eventually create the finished product, which is the compound / cake. Great example. So in my game, 135-teranitrophenol has 3 steps to it, and the best thing to do is work backwards. So we're going to start from the first chemical, and this is how we make phenol. So we need to go find some motor oil, wheel cleaner, and insect repellent. And to find these ingredients, you can go pick them up from around the map, and in the description is all the ingredients locations. So all we do now is go find the 3 ingredients and place them in the gas station. So wheel cleaner I've got, check, insect repellent, check, and finally motor oil, check. So you've got the first chemical ingredients on the work table. So before you mix those together, if you remember those blackboards around the map, and on those blackboards you can see the ingredients that you've used. And each ingredient have their own value on the right hand side. So all you do is run around the map and find the blackboard that has the ingredients that you've used. And you need to follow what I do here. So you need to add the top and the left number on each ingredient. So motor oil, 6 plus 8 equals 14. Wheel cleaner, 8 plus 5 equals 13. And for insect repellent, 9 plus 7 equals 16. So once you've done that, you need to add all of those answers together. So 14 plus 13 plus 16 equals 43. And now if you remember the O number you figured out earlier, and the O number in my game was 15, so all you do is do 43 take away 15, and that is your final answer. So now you input that into the machine to then mix the first chemical ingredients together to make phenol. So boom, we've bossed it, we've created the first chemical, and we can cross that off, and now we can create the second chemical, which is phenosulfonic acid. Very weird. So to make this, we need to find drain opener and phenol. And we've already created phenol, so we can add that to the machine. And all we need to do now is find some drain opener. Add that to mixing station, and now we go around the map again, find the blackboards and do our maths. So now we input 7 into machine and start the reaction. And boom, that is the second chemical created. Phenosulfonic acid is there. We can now tick that off the list and we're on to the third chemical. So for the third chemical, we need to add the acid we just made, the phenosulfonic acid, and we need to add some detergent. So place the acid we just made onto mixing station, also add the detergent you find, and finally we do the maths again. So the top number and left number, 3 plus 1 equals 4, 4 plus 9 equals 13, add 13 and 4 together to make 17, and now we take away the O number, which in my game is 15, and 17 take away 15 is 2, so the final answer is 2, and we input that number into mixing machine, and boom, we have created 135-teranitrophenol, and that is how you do it, fellas. And like I said, I've put the ingredients location in the description to help you.